boundless and heartfelt appreciation and gratitude to the authorized representative of the school's division superintendent, our brilliant and beauteous district in charge, Dr. Maria Estelia A. Barcarcet, other equally talented school administrators, our dynamic and most humble school principal, Mr. Paulino M. Lazo, our very understanding teachers, supportive parents, the untiring SPTA, barangay and municipal officials, stakeholders, friends, visitors, and to everyone who in one way or another have helped us make this day a memorable one. Today would not be as colorful and as successful without your unselfish time and effort to grace this occasion with us. From the bottom of our hearts, we thank you all. Kudos, fellow 2025 graduates of our beloved Amumban Elementary